So I got the queue up on the hoist today. Time to start looking at putting the trans into it. Turbo 400, just picked it up from our local speed shop, Outlaw Speed. Yeah, just a Coan built one. Coan, supposed to be a Pro Street auto, last one before they go to a trans brake. I can't really justify a trans brake for what I'm doing. Just trying to work out the dipstick, and of course the dipstick mounting hole wants to use that hole there, and of course on the back of the LS there is no hole for that. So what I'm sort of planning on doing, I raided the old nutsert stash, found a nutsert the same size. That's what the other bolts will be. So I think I'm just going to drill out that hole there just so I can slide that nutsert in. I'm not going to tension up the nutsert, just give me something to put the bolt into, at least that way it'll hold the dipstick in place and makes use of a otherwise blanked off hole. I think that should end up working pretty well. Mainly went for that size nutsert, as that's the same bolt head size as the other bell housing bolts, so it should make it easy when time comes to get it off, because I don't think it's going to fit in there behind the LS with the dipstick on there. Converter's a nice Dominator unit, 9.5 inch, 3.5 stall. Custom setup, probably a bit hard to see on the van trying to look it up now because it's full of fluid, but Turbo 400 to LS, though no adapters needed, extra long bush in there, LS bolt pattern, nice setup. Well, I've never put a gearbox in using one of these things, transmission jack. I'll tell you what, after doing this, I'll be never doing another one without one. This is definitely one of those tools that will pay for itself the very first time you use it. This one I've actually borrowed from a mate. Thanks, Jake. Definitely can see one of these on the cards in the near future. Very, very nice. Much better than laying on your back or trying to slide a box in with the motor. Well, that's the trans in. That wasn't too bad. Still a bit of a mission to get your hand up in there to get that bolt in, but the dipstick's in there. Doesn't seem too bad. Everything else looks like it's going in quite nicely. Converter bolts just slip in there. Not much access for them. Nice the gearbox in. Don't know, cool that at night. Enough sweating out here. 36 degrees out here tonight. Not very nice at all.